Hi, thanks for visiting my channel A to Z e-learning AI. It took a while to bring a new video because I had recently focused on helping my family member on a coursework and my job interview. Now, I'm here to show you how to add branching logic in Microsoft Forms. You can add branching logic to a survey, quiz, or RSVP so that it changes according to responses to specific questions. In a survey, quiz, or RSVP that branches, questions appear only if they are relevant to the respondent. For instance, as you see here, a respondent is redirected to a different set of questions or will skip a set of questions altogether. Make sure all of your questions are created when you are ready to add branching. That way, you can immediately select the question that you want to branch to. For more videos on how to create a form, check out the playlist above. Alright, let's get started. Once I open an existing form, I will go to the question 9 for which I want to add branching. After clicking the three dots icon, I will choose Add Branching. On the branching options page, here you can see existing questions that you can branch to. In this example, if respondents answer yes to question number 9, I would direct them to go on to the next question number 10. However, if respondents answer no to the question number 9, I would have them skip to question number 11. I will go to the question 10 for which I want to insert additional branch. If respondents answer yes or no to question number 10, I would direct them to go on the next question number 11. As I repeated relevant steps, you can do so to insert additional branches to your survey, quiz, or RSVP. Please note that you can only branch to a consecutive questions and not a preceding one. For example, if you have 12 questions in your form and want to add branching to question number 9, you can only branch to questions number 10, 11, 12, or end of form. I really like this feature because I can make my forms more user-friendly so that respondents can save their completion time. I hope you find this video helpful. Again, for more videos on how to create a form, check out the playlist in the description down below. Do you want to work hard but also work smart? A to Z e-learning AI is here as your friend on your journey, so subscribe and hit the bell to see new videos. Thanks for watching.